Back YouTube. This video is going to be a little bit different today. So for me, on a day-to-day basis, I like to keep my hair either straight or natural. It depends on what my mood is for that day, but I am natural, but I like to wear my hair straight. So I'm going to take you or walk you through my natural hair journey. Well, I'm going to walk you through straightening my hair, so stay tuned. Today I am currently 30 weeks pregnant and I'm gonna take you through my hair regimen. I currently have my hair wrapped in these, what do you call these? These wrapping papers. I went to sleep with my hair wet. I washed it last night and I add some wrapping foam to my hair as well. As you can see, I'm natural. I don't have a relaxer in my hair. I'm trying to allow this camera to focus. It's getting out of focus. But I don't have a relaxer in my hair. And I like to straighten my hair, so this is my hair straightening regimen. I'm gonna take you through. Oh, I gotta show you what I use to lay my hair down. I mixed my Mazzani foam wrap, this wrapping lotion as well. I let my hair dry overnight and so that it could be really nice and flat in the morning. I won't have to worry about applying double heat to my hair. You just can focus. I can't really see it in the mirror, but I'm gonna start off using my serum as a heat protector. And for the most part, I normally go and get my hair done at the salon. But when I don't have time to go and get my hair done, I do it myself. And this is my regimen. So apply the heat protector serum to my hair. Not a lot. You don't want to apply too much product to the hair because then the hair doesn't lay correctly and then it starts to look frizzy after a while. Pomade, styling wax, and to finish off, I use my Sebastian hairspray. So let's just get started. Start off with the sides first. As a matter of fact, this is already sticking up. I'm gonna have a salmon salad sandwich. I have red onions, avocado, and a piece of baked salmon that I made. I use parsley and a lot of natural spices to season this with. I'm just gonna chop up the onions. As a matter of fact, I don't like a lot of onions, so I'll just use half. All right. Just cutting the bad parts off of the avocado and using the good parts. Put the salmon, the avocado goes into the bowl, onions. Instead of regular mayo, we got sunflower mayo, simply because canola oil is mixed with soy oil and sometimes it's not pure. So therefore we're going with sunflower oil instead.
Show the ingredients in the back.
The ingredients are on here. So let's add some mayo in there. Just soften it up. Use a fork. Let's a very quick way to just put lunch together, right? So I'm just gonna put a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Slap on the mix. There you go, fresh wild caught salmon salad with avocados. It's perfect. I feel like making two. You know, you take the first bite and you want to eat more than one. You're not even finished yet. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit like. Let me know if this content resonated with you, and I'll see you next time.